Hello, lovely souls. So, welcome to my channel Blissful Journey 24. I welcome you all. Hello, if you have a date of birth between 1 to 8 of any month, this reading is for you, which is pile 1. Whoever has a date of birth between 8 to 15th of any month, this reading is for you, which is pile 2. Whoever has a date of birth between 16 to 25th of any month, this reading is for you. Whoever has a date of birth between 26th to 31st, this reading is for you, which is pile 4. So let's start with the reading. I want you to know that is there anything you are putting in a lots of efforts? Because we have 10 of wands and with that we have the star card. So with the help of this two card, I see that you are putting in lots of efforts to get your wish fulfilled. I see that you have worked out a lot. You have took in the all the responsibility coming your way. You have put in all the efforts which is required since last year 2023 October, and whatever thing you are manifesting right now, whatever way you are trying to manifest this wish, I just want you to know that things will work out for you definitely, because we have the 10 of wands and the star card. So these two cards are very beautiful because I feel that you need to be little patient enough. I see that your wish is just a few steps away, and you will receive it, or some might be also experiencing it. Some are in this pile that your wish is getting fulfilled slowly by slowly, and you have worked a lot, I will say, but you need to know that you are completing one chapter of your life and you will completely get whatever fruitful it may be. So with the star card, I just want you to know that be faithful about your wish. I see your wish is getting fulfilled regarding love matter, career, or anything you have on your mind while watching this video. I wish you the best, and your wish will be get fulfilled. Just have faith. Thank you. Hello, pile 2. If your date of birth is between 8 to 15, this reading is for you. And we have a page of pentacles and we have 7 of cups. So whatever wish you have right now on your mind, I see that your mind is right now confused with a lot of opportunity. You might be facing a lot of confusion right now, because with the 7 of cups and page of pentacles, I see that you are right now confused what to choose, what not to choose. You are right now in the verge to understand what will work out for you and what will not. But here with the page of pentacles, I want you to tell you that you need to see the long term part of your life, what will work out for a long term prospect, not for the short term. So just enjoy your work, and if it is about love matter, I see you are getting a marriage proposal too, and even if you are not, you will receive a lot of opportunity. Confused right now? If yes, then you need to understand that things will work out for you, but for that you need to take up of the skills required if you are into career, because you have a lot of opportunity but you don't know what to choose, because you might be also facing in your education front, there are various college in front of you, but you are confused what to choose. Whatever confusion you have right now, I see it getting solved in upcoming months. It can be around 7 weeks from now, but whenever you are watching this video, so you need to upskill into your career, I feel, and you need to get advanced in your career, how you can grow further and further, what skills will be required to grow into that aspect would be beneficial for you. And your education front, if you are into education right now, you are studying right now, I see you will be getting a lot of recognition. You will also get trophy, medals, and you will be getting a lot of good vibes from people around you. So be curious about the things whatever you are wishing for. And that's all for the reading. Thank you for watching. Be patient. Be patient and just enjoy with the flow of the life. Thank you. Hello, pile 3. If your date of birth is between 16 to 25th of any month, this reading is for you. Let's look into the card. We have a King of Wands. Wow, such a beautiful card. If you are into business, it will get fruitful, is what I'm hearing from my angels. It will work out for you. I want you to know that if you are also thinking also that you should start the business of yours, I see it getting fulfilled, but for that you have to take the action. I also see you in a very leadership role. Even if you are not thinking about your business, I see your wish is regarding your business. Most probably I see the wish of yours is about business. Also we have a 8 of swords. Okay, so 8 of swords means you are right now feeling trapped. You are feeling you are not into the energy to talk with anybody. You are feeling very stagnant. But with the wheel of fortune, we have a wheel of fortune, which is a wonderful card to have. And you are lucky pile, I will say. And yes, definitely you need to understand that it's all into your head. It's not that you are trapped right now into your situation. It's just that time being not favoring out for you, but you are stuck into your own thoughts. To know that you need to come out of this belief system you have within right now. You need to come out of it and enjoy your me time also, but you need to understand that it's all into your head. And be fruitful about your thoughts. I want you to know that your thoughts are very powerful. You need to be very aware whatever you are thinking right now. It has a very impact on your wishes. So I wish you all the best, because we have wheel of fortune. And I'm so loving it, the energy out here. Your wish is getting fulfilled. Thank you for watching. Hello, my last pile. Whoever has a date of birth between 26th to 31st of any month, this reading is for you. So let's explore what cards we have for you. We have 5 of cups. Oh, we have a 5 of cups, and another is ace of wands. So we will first explore 5 of cups. So your wish is regarding I feel something creative. You might be into creative field. You might be into the digital platform, social media platform. I do say that. But what I see here is that you are not watching what you have right now. You are only seeing what you don't have. Your focus is only on the things which you don't have. You can see in this card also that you have 2 cups, but you're only focusing on the 3 cups which you don't have. You can see here, right? Your direction of seeing also, it's about the 3 cups which I don't have. You need to come out of this because you have the opportunity right away, but you are not seeing what you have. So you need to be more gratitude towards things which you have right now. You can list out the 5 things which you are thankful for, and say thank you universe, I see your wish will be getting fulfilled, but you need to come out of the sadness, loneliness, and feeling of not getting things. So come out of it, because you do have the opportunity right away, and you will receive a lot of opportunity, because as you can see that we also have the Ace of Wands with this reading, right? So your energy is being putting on only things which you don't have. So with the Ace of Wands also means that you will receive a lot of support from universe. You will get support from them. So your wish will be fulfilled by the faith you have on universe, God, or whoever you have faith in. But you need to come out of the loneliness part of your life. You need to see the brighter side of life. You are seeing only the darker side of life. Once you see the positive side of your life, I see your wish getting fulfilled immediately, because we have an Ace of Wands, which is a very beautiful card to have. You will receive opportunities, you will receive a lot of creative projects into your field. I see that you will definitely you will enjoy a lot. You can list down to 5 things and be gratitude towards it, and you will receive your wishes very soon, because it's a Ace of Wands, so you will definitely receive it as compared to other pile which we had. So yes, be very creative, be very curious about your situation, what is happening, what is not happening, and everything. Be curious is what I'm hearing out again and again. So that's it for the reading. Thank you. If you like this reading, like, share, and subscribe.